Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wannan shine video namu na 15 a cikin wannan series da muke mai suna Koyi Javascript. Kamar yadda na faɗa, insha Allah zan yi bayani akan Javascript tun daga farko har zuwa gwargwado abin da ya kamata a ce mutum ya sani a ciki. Idan ba za ku manta ba, video namu na ƙarshe mun yi bayani akan alert a cikin Javascript. Yau insha Allah za mu yi bayani akan window prompt a cikin Javascript. Window prompt a cikin Javascript. Me wannan window prompt yake nufi a cikin Javascript? Abinda ake amfani da shi shine ana amfani da window prompt a Javascript domin a yi collecting data from the user. So you want your users to put data on the page. You want them to put data on the page. It's just like a form that will pop up to the users asking them to put something or asking them about something. So let's see what this window prompt did in JavaScript. All you need to is to write window dot prompt P-R-O-M-P-T like this. So when you write this, now we are going to put what we want to ask the user inside double quotes. For example, we are going to say, what is your name? Let's just save this. If we refresh, it's going to ask us, what is your name? That's what's going to ask us. So I'm just going to say Ahmad. Now if I say okay, and that's okay, so that's it. So now if you understand this, you see that it will ask this. So I can save it. For example, now I can ask another one. For example, I'll just say another one like this. For example, tell us are you from Nigeria? If I save it now, then like we did alert, we are going to see two questions. Now if I put Ahmad, okay, are you from Nigeria? Yes, then okay, then it will disappear. So this is what this window dot prompt did. So you need to kind of practice this. And okay, let's do something. Let's do something now. So now we are going to say, we are going to do something now. We are going to collect information and to alert the information on the page. So let's do something now so that it will look more awesome as we are training or we are learning all this. So I'm going to say, for example, var a is equals to window dot prompt. So now I will just say alert a, because this variable, this name that I'm going to put is going to be my name. So it's going to be my name. So it is going to be to say, for example, this I can say what is your name, then it say alert the name. So let me save it and see what will happen. So now if I come back and refresh, what is your name? So I'll say Ahmad Aminu Ahmad. Now if I click OK, it will alert what? Ahmad Aminu Ahmad for us. So let's say we want to add welcome Ahmad Aminu Ahmad. So I'm going to say welcome, then we concatenate it with a. So we are going to say welcome plus a. So let's refresh it. So now if we go back and say equals to what is your name? Ahmad Aminu Ahmad. Then if I press OK, it will say what? Welcome Ahmad Aminu Ahmad. So I can say, I can refresh it again and say, okay, what is your name? Let's say Mr. Zaid. Now if I say okay, it will say welcome Mr. Zaid. So as you can see now, we use the window dot prompt to collect the information, and we use alert to alert the information. So this is getting more interesting, you know. So keep learning this. Is very awesome as you're learning this. And as you can see this, we can do a lot of things with this. I can say for example, okay, let's say, okay, we can collect a lot of things. We can collect different things. Okay, let me just ask another question. Let me just put this. Let me just turn this to B, var B. Then I'll say, which state are you? Then I will say, I will call the B. So now if I refresh, then I will come here. If I refresh now, it's going to ask what is your name. I'm going to say Ahmad Aminu Ahmad. Then if I say okay, it will say welcome Ahmad. If I say okay, it will say which state are you? Then I will say Zamfara state. Then if I say okay, there is not going to see anything. Then it just says Zamfara state. Or it will just ask, how is Zamfara? So all these, you can continue putting a lot of things, create a lot of things, and just laugh as you are learning this JavaScript. So don't worry, inshallah, we have a lot to do, and we will keep doing it, and it's getting more and more and more interesting, inshallah. So nan za mu sa cikin wannan video da fatar kun koyi wani abu sabu, kuma Allah ya samu dace. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.